You should go, Ben. Ben, please go. Please leave.
Yeah, like it's this big, and then you gotta, I don't know.
Right down the river and then get off and the river and there's like a little waterfall. There's some parts of the river that you can already. Like you swim and you can swim.
Let me
And
just
there's
talk
like
to
a
you for a
little
second.
waterfall or whatever.
Where's Ben?
Not like a shallow. But like you're gonna get like you and her, whatever.
Don't scare me. That's my specialty.
What?
I'm eager to see him again. Like a big circle tonight. Hello? Out of it. Same
You know
type of
waterfalls
light.
that you know waterfalls? That, but like an actual river. Like a real
This never would have happened. What were you thinking? Come with or without us, we just wanted to protect him.